Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. My name is MJ and yeah, it's going to be a good video. It's sort of an at-home one, sort of a lazy Sunday, although we're actually going to get up to loads. I'm going to show you the meal that we're cooking today, which is a Korean dish. Kalbi, sort of grilled chicken with like a kiwi sort of Korean barbecue. What on earth bug is that? Oh, it's a spider, brilliant. There's a spider, brilliant. Don't go on with spiders. Yeah, we're having that with chicken and salad and rice. I'm going to do a few food reviews and edit a few videos, and yeah, it's going to be fun. So some food, some fun. So this episode is a bit like a happy meal. So I've just been editing some videos. I'm going to film a few food reviews later as well, actually. So I'm going to go on the hunt for some food to review now. I'm definitely going to do this. Tony's chocolate only milk chocolate. We got this in Netherlands. Looking forward to having that. I'll have that later. That is the Korean kalbi or kalbi, which is made with like kiwi. Actually, there's some chocolate somewhere in here. Some Tony's chocolate only chocolate that I'm going to review. I think I'll toss this in some Korean dressing and have that with the chicken and rice. I could do a Harry Potter special. I've got a wand there. I've got a Harry Potter wand, which I've been eager to try. And there's a Harry Potter soda, that butterbeer soda at the back as well. Might do that. Bust out the Harry Potter bants, because I did actually enjoy filming the Harry Potter special. Not special. We did a Harry Potter Star Wars crossover intro thing. I don't know if I'd do something like that again, because it'd be weird on my own. Also, I am counting calories, so I can't exactly go mental, especially if I'm trying a soda. I've got those biscuits. If I got Nutella, because I've heard that Biscoff and Nutella is amazing. If we had Nutella, what's that? Oh, holy smokes, that could work. If I just have tiny bits of everything else, I can probably have this for like the main bulk of my lunch. What is it? Yeah, 213 calories. That should be alright. Should be able to fit that in. I didn't even explain. This is the new Peking duck soba noodles. Sick, mate. Soba noodles, so peng. So this is the ingredients for dinner. That's going to be the dressing for the salad. Sprinkle a few sesame seeds on top of the chicken. And then I'm going to pestle and mortar up some rosemary. This is not dinner. I'm going to pestle and mortar up some rosemary and sea salt. Combine it in a bag with a little bit of oil. And then just like roast off these almonds. So I've got homemade rosemary salt almonds. And then just have like 10 of them a day. Which is like not an insignificant number of calories. What's that, per 30 gram serving? I'll weigh them. Oh, P.S. guys, we're going to Blackpool this week, sort of for Claire's birthday treat. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, Blackpool's stingy and whatnot, it's gross, why are you going there for birthday treat? But I love Blackpool. I don't know if I speak for Claire when I say she loves Blackpool, but she certainly she likes the pleasure beach, she likes arcades, and we'll have some nice food there, and it'll just be really nice. We're going to do quite a lot actually. We're going to go to Mud and Swords as well, and do some mini golf, hit the piers, we might go to the cinema, so we're going to do loads of cool stuff. Right, so I've got the scales out, and here's 10 almonds, not 1 almond. So that's actually only 10 grams. Nutritional information on the nuts. It says that 30 grams is 179 calories, so it's 180 divided by 3 basically, so it's 60 calories for 10 almonds. Although mine will be a little bit more fattening because I'll have just a tiny bit of oil on. But I'm going to do that now. Shh! Try to film a video here. Sink. Right, so there's my pestle and mortar. Do you know which one's which? Let us know in the comments below. I sure as shit don't. Right, so get some rosemary. Dried rosemary on this occasion. And some salt. Yeah, can I be bothered to do this? Considering whole chunks is probably fine, I probably can't be bothered to do this. Oh, that's done alright actually.
That noise?
This noise?
Yeah.
Pestle and mortar. Yeah, that's done alright actually, to be fair.
Can you see a fucking spot on the top of your bum?
I've got a spot on top of my bum.
Can you see?
That's not a Claire, that's the bottom of my back. That's not top of my bum.
Yes, it is. Bum.
That's not my bum.
Take your finger off. Yeah.
Claire always says this, I bet it's not massive.
It is, it's quite red.
1, 2. I'm going to go for 3 because I'm not sure 2 is going to be enough. 3. Because I need to make sure that I get them all coated. Okay, rosemary in. Tie up the bag. There we go, and let's give it a mix. Mix your nuts up, shake your nuts for the legs. And I'm thinking literally just cook them for like 5 minutes because I just want to get the oil to sort of set a bit and so the flavouring stays on there a little bit. Basically, all I want. Cool, let's see how this goes. I've not followed a recipe or anything, I'm just assuming it's going to work. Can't actually turn the camera off before I wash my hands. Because they're oily. I've got oily fingertips. It might be a bit hot actually, 170. Take it down a bit. Okay, out of the oven they come. Get this baking tray off. Seems to have worked, that was only 5 minutes. Get the baking tray out so they'll cool down a bit quicker. Ha, gee, ba ba ba. Yep, they're hot, so could use utensils. By the way guys, I am aware that this video is quite dark today, like, yeah, I don't know if it's something on my camera I need to change or whatever's going on. Tell you what, it might be that the curtains are pulled, that might be what it is. Right, I'm going to try one now. It's been about 10 minutes. Still a little warm. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, good. Could be a little bit saltier, but then it'd be worse for you, wouldn't it? So, really nice. No expenses spared in the wardrobe department.
You're a wizard, Harry. Listen, boy, you're a wizard. You silly little prick, you're a wizard. You silly little prick, you're a wizard.
Now the sound effect. Just a little costume change. Oh, probably gonna have to do that first actually. Look like Harry Potter.
I'm a...
It's okay, I got you.
I'm a what? I'm a what? I'm a what?
What have you got on your head?
Pen?
Pen?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I'm a what?
That should be alright. Don't know, I'll give you a bloody migraine these.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
Listen, boy, you're a wizard.
I'm a what?
You silly little prick, you're a wizard.
Look guys, I'm in the middle of a food review. Some people would say this is unprofessional, not me. Yeah, good. It's gone well, guys. Yeah, so I thought I'd better just finish off the video first before actually talking to you guys. So there we go, that is it, done. Camera can go off now. I imagine if I keep these glasses on for much longer, I'll actually get a headache, so I better take them off. Because you literally can't see out of them. Oh, that's bizarre. Getting proper vision back. Let's see actually. Oh yeah, I'll show you the new posters that are on the wall shortly. But let's see if you can see what the Harry Potter vision is like. That's actually so much clearer than I see, because my eyes are basically around this bit. So I get like mad vision things. That's quite cool, isn't it? Reasonably badass. You can see the PS4 controller there. Trippy, right? That's quite cool in my opinion. Anyway, yeah, that went really well. I can have a proper look at this now. Ooh. So yeah, we basically got like a nice new bookmark now. Cool. Decent. Right, I've just filmed a load of food reviews. Just going to film one last one, which is my noodles. Haven't actually eaten that much, so it's just a small bite or sip of most things. So I'm now going to have my actual lunch, which is this. As I say, I am calorie counting. I'm sure you guys have been watching my weight loss journey videos. So I will then do as good a job as I can at adding all of the things that I have eaten onto my Samsung Health app to say what I've had. I've prepped a little bit more of the stuff for dinner, which includes the rice. Oh, that is me being tardy and not putting stuff away. Put stuff away, it's good. Yeah, then I think I'm going to do a bit more editing. And oh, I said I was going to show you the posters. So we've changed around a few things. We've got rid of all our not got rid of the Blu-rays. That'd be awful. We've moved them into storage, just somewhere in the house. So we've got some nice photos of us up now, which is really cool and really nice. And also really cool and really nice is the Marvel stuff that we got up. So we've got all that stuff there, and also these posters on the wall as well. Most recent one to go up, of course, was Spider-Man Homecoming. So guys, I've just been making thumbnails, doing a bit of editing. Actually, I need to really put the camera down to do this bit. I think I'm going to do a tiny bit more editing before watching a bit of YouTube and Netflix. So, cool. It is the Women's World Cup final.
One of the things I've asked you about as well, is that the US League is not that strong, is it? It's all about the national side. It's about Olympic gold, it's about World Cup glory. Who's done it?
Well, I think England is going to have longevity. I think
Don't be daft. I think I'll show you guys how to make overnight oats later. I sort of got into them since the old health changes, the lifestyle changes I've been making. 40 grams of oats, so I'll do them later. They're actually really tasty as well if you make them good. You make them a good way. So I put a little bit of peanut butter in, some sort of milk or yogurt. This week I'm going to do a combination of yogurt and milk. You definitely need a sweetener. So for the last few weeks I've been using this birthday cake syrup. I bought some special syrup, right? Peanut butter cup syrup. I think it's like 0 calories, 0 sugar. So it makes sort of them tolerable. And then I'll do up the rest of my lunch. Yeah, cool. This is like the 4th time I've shown you this covered, man. I will have a Snacker Jack. I think I'll go caramel tomorrow. Yeah, I'll have a Snacker Jack. I'll have a little tasting chicken breast. That packet of crisps. That'll probably be enough. Might have something else. See how many calories it comes out at. Good. Battery for this camera is now charged, so I could charge the other battery. Okay, I think I'm going to start preparing dinner now. Get the chicken out first. Somewhere in there. Let's get the grill on. Right, let's try and find them. There's one of them. Actually, I think I might need both hands for this. Two 2-0. Shit. The breasts are out. This is smelling really nice actually. I wasn't sure about the smell of it raw, but yeah, it smells interesting. So chicken is looking good. I'll cut into it and make sure it's cooked, and it's really nice and juicy as well. Looking forward to this. So here we go guys, Calabi or Kalbi or Galabi, not really sure what it is, grilled Korean chicken. Let's go. I don't really like that. Actually, it's not that I don't like it, it's just that it's not very good. Claire basically agrees I think she's being polite, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, I probably can't even eat that.
I don't understand.
It's not good.
Why they were making such a good fuss about it.
Well, I mean, you know, I did as best as I can matching the ingredients that were shown on the show.
I mean, the charred bits are quite nice.
Yeah. They're not very explicit about what it is. You know, I did it under the grill and I did it with chicken, they did it with beef and they did it on a griddle. There are differences. I know it doesn't have the recipe on there, it just has what ingredients are in it. Clearly something's fucked up. Yeah, not very good. You live and learn from these things though. We got some Sensations poppadoms on the side, so those will be nice. This is quite funny guys. So I shouldn't laugh really, but on Instagram I've sort of had like a spat with someone this evening. Basically just some guy was commenting on the Chocolate Smiths collab bar thing. Had one in my basket and then you kicked me out after confirming my payment details. Pretty poor website if you ask me after all the excitement. You know, I can understand why people would be annoyed with that, but you need to understand this is a small business and the e-commerce tools that they have available to them aren't going to be the same as places like Ticketmaster. So he's saying like, oh, as a software developer, I've given someone my payment details for no reason. It's poor design, blah, blah, blah. Pulling out the old, I'm a software developer thing. So, yeah, I said, aha, the old, I work in computers bollocks, get a grip, lol. And so he said, the old, I like my comments and try to be an influencer on Instagram. Yeah, I like my own comments. Fair enough to bully me for that, to be honest. I'm pretty fine with that. It's a good comeback. Hilariously saying I try to be an influencer on Instagram. Pretty successfully am an influencer on Instagram. I didn't even want to be an influencer. I don't want to be an influencer. I don't care about being an influencer. If you know me, you know that I never have. I am concerned with giving honest reviews. Anyway, if you click on this guy's profile, he's got a quote on there that says, a lion is not concerned with the opinion of a sheep. So I just posted that back to him, and he said top quality buns. So anyway, I went and then did a story and like a post where I'm just enjoying my bar that I got because I'm an influencer. Yeah, it's quite funny to be honest. Right, I'm waiting for Claire. Buttervision, Jesus. I'm waiting for Claire. I'm just watching some YouTube videos. Claire will hopefully be down at some point in the near future. Okay, I think she's epilating her legs, which is sort of like shaving, but with like a rotating tweezer thing. It's weird. It sounds really painful. And then we're going to watch Stranger Things. What time is it? 8:15. Oh my god, we've only seen 2 episodes. We are not making as quick progress through Stranger Things as I would like. Now, you know the deal here, guys. This is a weekend vlog, and this is around the time that I start to forget to record things. So, just in case I do forget to record anything else, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me sort of working hard on a meal that just absolutely didn't work. I don't know whether I'll spoil that in the title of the video. I feel like spoiling that will probably generate more views. Probably. I don't know. You'll know because you'll know what I've put in the thing. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. If this is the end, if this isn't the end, then there'll be more stuff after here.